How to change deposit info on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you have not filed your tax return, you can still change your direct deposit information. To update the bank information you want to open or continue your return, now select File. Then select Start or Revisit or Continue next to Step 2 Refund/Payment Info. Now select See All options on the Get Your Info screen. Then choose direct deposit and follow the on-screen instructions. Remember that if you have already e-filed your return, the direct deposit information cannot be changed. If you haven't filed yet, you can simply enter your new bank account and routing number, then double check all the details to avoid delay. Now continue to file your return as normal, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.